I got some questions about this. It says it is an 8-foot Santa. Is that 8 feet tall or 8 feet like as a general size? I'm curious about that. I love the little penguins and the candy. Looks great on the box. There's one thing you want to know. What does it actually look like set up? So we're going to do that right now. It's starting to get a little dark out here so that I can show you both the construction qualities of it, what it looks like, compare it in size to an SUV, and me at 6'2". Let's take a look at it, make sure it's not put together like crap before we even start with that. All right, so it comes with a full set of tie downs, which is always important. We're not going to use them tonight, which is a little bit of a problem. It's a little breezy out tonight, but I'm trying to set this up real quick for you. It's not quite that time of year yet here. And let's see what things look like. Okay, so I really want to look at things like these bows and stuff. I want to make sure that they are nicely put on, not just, one dollop of hot glue and they're going to fall off in 3 minutes. I also like to look at, you see how nicely all those seams are put together. There's no extra stitching, there's no strings lying around, there's no glue over the edges. Everything looks like this is, professionally put together. Okay, no, we're not supposed to say he's frosty, but I'm gonna say he's frosty. Let's plug him in and see what it looks like. So I will tell you, while he starts to inflate, I definitely felt some heft there, so I'm hoping he has some sandbags built into him to help hold him upright, even on a breezy day like today. You're still gonna need to strap him down, but when they don't have those like ballast little sandbags in there, they tend to be very flippy. But let's go check it out. Okay, so I could tell already, remember I told you I am 6'2"? He's way over the top of my head. So this is gonna be a legit 8 foot tall. I really do like the construction, especially the more I look at it up close. So this is really doing well on my little score so far. It's taking a little longer than most to fill up because obviously, and Frosty's a little heavy around the middle there. So there's a lot of air you gotta pump into this guy to get him to be full. So I don't have a problem with the fact he's taking a little while to fill up. Oh, the candy's looking good. I gotta say, so far, I am super impressed with this. Now I have reviewed another product by this company, and that model I had a little bit of a beef because it only had LEDs down the center line in the back. This one has LEDs in this little penguin and this not so little penguin, which I think is a crazy cool value add. Now he will sit upright for the most part. It is definitely too windy for this today. Just in case you're curious, there's a tie down spot here. There's one in the back there. There's another tie down spot here. These are all very smartly located, so you're gonna be able to make him super secure with no problem. Let me see if I can get you up close so you can see him. Actually, it's kind of helpful that he fell over. You can see those sandbags I was talking about in there, which help keep him situated where he should be. So just so you can see, this is what his face looks like, the hat. You can see this is all fully inflated, which is really nice. His arm. These two are super adorable. Look at this guy. This one's my favorite though. You're my favorite, bro. Love the way this little guy looks. And obviously, Frosty yourself looks amazing. I can see on the screen, I just love this thing. Okay, so I'm gonna say this is absolutely a 9.5 out of 10 for me. My only takeaway is I feel like his little blushing cheek should have been, I don't know, a little located a little different, or maybe you should have a little less of a smiling mouth. And listen, if that's the one thing I'm complaining about, it's really good. If you want to get yourself one, you should get it right away because these things sometimes run out as you get closer to the holiday itself. If you want to get one, there is the link right here on the screen or down below in the description. Both work the exact same way and neither one costs you anything extra to use, but it does help out the channel a little bit, so I'll say thank you in advance. If I've added some value, please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're as crazy about inflatables as I am. Subscribe to the channel because I got some more inflatables coming and this is going to be so fun this season. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next video.